Good Monday morning, everybody. Back to work. Terrific. It's damp this morning, but it's a healthy 4 degrees, so it feels colder than it actually is because of the damp weather. But enough of that, let's get on there.
Setting the alarm.
Sorry, I was wondering what you... Was it nosy? Honest.
There you are.
No, I don't do that. Moving on. Okay guys, that's me at my work. Kind of partially decidedly empty. We're an hour early.
School holidays.
Oh, school holidays, yes. Yeah, start of the working week. Let's get started. Let's do a quick change round. Oh, I just saw somebody right in the mirror then go walking out. Yeah, quick change round. Working day. It's been a lovely sunny drive in, hasn't it? Hence the sunglasses. It's beautiful out at the moment. It's 5 degrees and everything, which is like 6 degrees warmer than it's been of late. And Michelle turns the heating up.
Michelle feels the cold all the time.
It's a battle. Moving on. Hi guys, that's the working. Shush. Hi guys, that's the working day over with. Worst one out the way. Countdown to a few days off. And am I happy? Well, we just stopped off for a couple of things from the shop. We're nearly home now. And it's going to be a lazy one tonight, I think. Yeah? It's box set 9, it's Michelle's pick.
Your pick.
Is it my pick? Ooh. Do another altered carbon then, All we're doing, when we say box set, we're just watching one programme at a time. We're not actually binge watching because kind of miss how it used to be, where you used to kind of have a programme to watch. You had to watch it at a certain time and you waited for it all week. So I'll try and get back to that a little bit. Which doesn't mean we're not going to binge watch everything in one go. Because every time I watch a programme now I think, oh, I'll just watch the next one. The problem with that is you keep doing that, you end up with no sleep, don't you? So we're trying to limit that as well. But anyway, nearly home now. Moving on. Let's get home and have our tea. Hi guys. Delivery 2 of DVD locker. 2 seconds. Turn living room lights to 100%. Okay guys, a bit more light. Yes, second delivery of my DVD locker thing. I have no idea what these are, but Michelle has. So, the first one, Stallone, bullet to the head. I've never heard of that one. Second one, Monsters Dark Continent. Never heard of that one either. So that's got to be one for me to watch. The third one, Rapture.
Rupture.
And the third one, Rupture. I said something different before that, I read it wrong. I fail. Ooh. Devil's Double. 3D. Makes your eyes go funny, that, doesn't it?
hologram.
Well, the camera's picking that up, but it's another one I've never. 1e6 power, it's not enough. Devil's Double. It's jaw-droppingly awesome, apparently. You know why I know that? Because it says so. And that is my 4 Blu-rays for this month on DVD Locker. Okay guys, with that, believe it or not, I've spent most of the night editing. We left work a little bit late, so a bit extra work to do, so it's getting on a bit. So with that, I'm going to call the vlog on Monday night. So with that, it's a good night from me.
And it's a good night from him.
Good night, see you all in the morning. Bye.